Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So it's been a while since I posted a video here, and I think you guys are due for an update. The place is a complete wreck right now. I haven't even been building guitars. This is all just a mess from doing home renovations, and I'll show you what I've been doing. And I can show you a couple updates in the shop here and what's been going on. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, well, first off, this is the mess. I've got everything from house wrap to silicone caulking and drywall and stuff here. I did have one project from my buddy Mark back in Pennsylvania. He wanted me to build him a speaker cabinet. So this is all walnut, American black walnut sides and top. And the back, it's kind of hard to see, but he's got the speaker in there and his little tube amp. Basically, I built this for him for a tube amp. He makes them. So it's an even trade there. So I knocked that out. As soon as I got back from Europe, I slapped that thing together. Now I just have to wait for him to come pick it up. He's driving from Pennsylvania. As you can see, I've got sawdust all over the place. 2x4 cuttings. A lot of these are, I had to frame out the one wall, and I'll show you that in a minute. I do have some more guitars on the list that I do plan on building, including bass guitars. So they'll be coming soon. Well, probably by the end of the summer. I still have a lot of home renovation stuff to do. This is the pay dirt room. Today, there's nobody working today. It is Memorial Day weekend, so we don't have anybody working. But we did have 3 people in here. Well, including me and Heather, there was 5 of us working. Just making bags, shipping them off to Amazon. Just making bags, really. So these things sell as soon as we can make them, which is so awesome. And I appreciate you guys buying it. So this used to be a door. I went ahead and ripped the door out, donated it to Habitat for Humanity, framed it out, and now all I have to do is replace the siding. And I do have some siding sitting over here. This long piece here. I also have a full box of it, which I'm glad I did not get rid of, because it turns out I did need to get some. So I don't know if you guys remember from like last year, I stored all that siding up there, and we still have it. That's perfect. Also, I built this little farm for Heather. It's actually about half the size of the yard. And the thing with this, it looks like a pretty simple build, but the hard part was the dirt itself, because about 80% of the ground was all big rocks. So I had to classify with an arbor fabricating classifier every square foot of this, and I got rid of about 3 truckloads of rocks, and then I mixed in, I don't know, about a ton of garden mix in here. So, oh yeah, you guys want to see Timber? Where is he? Following me around. He's getting bigger. Timber, sit. Good boy. Yeah, he doesn't need a leash. We go on walks all the time, and no leash required for him. That was the whole point of that. This is all tilled up. I got to spray some hydro seeding on it. Right now I just have grass seed. It doesn't seem like it's taken, so I'm going to hydro seed that. So I've got some construction materials here along the wall. 2 bagsters full. I already have those scheduled to come get picked up. And right here used to be the French doors. So I ripped those out, donated them, and framed it out, put in a window that lines up with the other window. This morning I picked up some insulation for behind the siding. And let me show you guys what it looks like inside. Timber's guarding the house. So this is the inside of our living room. So there used to be a drop ceiling here. I ripped all that down. It's in those dumpsters outside. I'm starting to patch up and fix the insulation. I'm trying to keep as much insulation as possible. This is the patched door that used to be here. And as you can see, it's sunken down pretty far, because it used to be a garage in here. And I think in the early 2000s is when they converted it from a garage into a living area. But they didn't do a very good job, because it was just carpet on concrete, and it was very cold and uncomfortable, and just that drop ceiling looked like crap and everything. And when I bought the house, I knew it was going to be a project. And I'm, at least halfway done with the project now. on the ceiling here, I'm going to be doing, just like in the shop, tongue and groove, naughty pine. But here I'm going to do recessed lighting. I'm just glad I got rid of these doors, put in this nice big window here. So I just installed this yesterday, framed it out. I have to insulate. And today we're going to be pouring concrete to level the floor out, because the problem is right here. You can see there's this crack. That crack goes all the way across. And where that crack starts, it dips down. You can see underneath where the door used to be, there's a 3-inch gap. That's how far down the floor is sunk. So we're going to fill all this in with concrete today and level the whole thing out. And then I'm going to be framing out and building a giant fireplace all the way to the ceiling here. It's going to just be an electric fireplace. The fireplace will be down here, have a nice walnut mantle, and then probably the television up above that. So at least that way for Christmas, we have somewhere to hang our stockings. And it's coming along. I haven't been updating on the channel much because I've just been doing this kind of stuff. And I know that I said I'd bring you along, but man, there's so much work to be done and still so much work to do. It's just kind of hard to grab the camera sometimes and put a video together. But this house is a complete disaster right now. Once the floor is leveled out, I'm going to build some steps that come down into the sunken living room. And hopefully within a month, this place will be not even recognizable. Hopefully sooner than that, but we'll see. I work pretty quick. Anyway, that's a quick explanation of what's been going on here at my house with the shop and everything. Even on my main YouTube channel, I haven't been posting too much because I've been so busy with priorities and everything. So that's just a quick update. I hope you enjoyed it. And leave a comment, let me know what you thought about it. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Anyway, that's a quick explanation of what's been going on here at my house with the shop and everything. Even on my main YouTube channel, I haven't been posting too much because I've been so busy with priorities and everything. So that's just a quick update. I hope you enjoyed it. And leave a comment, let me know what you thought about it. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.